Alright guys, nandito na tayo sa ating puntahan, which is Tamawan Village. So let's go guys, explore natin itong lugar na to. Let's go. Sir, magandang araw po. By the way po, pwede po malaman po kung ano pong mga feature niyo po dito sa Tamawan Village.
So, ang Tamawan Village, ang meron po dito talaga actually is the culture, tradition, and it's also an open museum ang Tamawan Village because of the